DG Casa Bardy Queen in white faux leather upholstered fabric. Headboard, diamond tufted upholstered wingback. Material, durable faux upholstery, foam upholstery fill material. Solid wood frame construction, leg is not upholstered. Assembly required, mattress and box spring required. Not included, shipped in one convenient box. All items are packed in the zippered back of headboard. Low profile box spring is recommended. Product dimension: side rail height 10 inches, slat height 7 inches. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Rest peacefully. High quality bed frame with strong support for your mattress and a comfortable design. Number 2. Superior craftsmanship. Durable construction crafted with care and easy to maintain the upholstery. Number 3. Versatile style, great for farmhouse. Transitional or traditional, update your bedroom with this beautiful versatile farmhouse. Transitional or traditional style bed frame. Number 4. Easy assembly. Includes an easy-to-follow instruction manual and parts list to ensure you build the bed quickly, efficiently, and with all the parts required. The package is designed and engineered to deliver to your doorstep safely, so you can enjoy your new furniture. All hardware and components are located in the zippered compartment at the back of the headboard. Number 5. Queen-size panel bed frame in white faux leather fabric with diamond tufted and nailhead trim wingback headboard. Number 6. Conveniently ships in one package. Solid and sturdy wood frame. Durable faux leather fabric upholstery. Number 7. Box spring and mattress required. Not included. Number 8. Overall dimensions with headboard measure 84 by 67 by 47 inches. View product description for additional product dimensions and information. Number 9. Buy with confidence and worry-free. Protected by DG Casa 1-year limited warranty. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can this accommodate an adjustable base bed by omitting the slats and placing the bed within the frame? Answer: yes, this bed frame can accommodate an adjustable base. You'll install the bed frame with the headboard, side rails, and footboard excluding the slats. Question number 2. Can I use a bunkie board with this bed? Answer: yes, you can use a bunkie board for this bed frame. Question number 3. Can I use wooden slats on this? Answer: this panel bed frame includes 4 wooden slats. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.